In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Xero account in just about 5 minutes. Setting up a Xero account is the first step towards streamlining your business's finances, and I'm here to walk you through each phase of the process, making it as smooth and understandable as possible. Let's embark on this journey together by starting with the very first step, navigating to the Xero website. Opening your preferred browser, type in the web address for Xero. You'll be greeted by their homepage, which is your gateway to a more organized financial future. Once you're on the site, your next step is quite straightforward. Entering your personal details, which begins with your name. Look for the sign-up form where you'll find a field labeled for your name. It's important to use your real name, as this helps in personalizing your account and avoids any confusion down the line, especially when it comes to legal or business matters. Following your name, it's time to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you have access to and check regularly. This email will be pivotal for receiving important updates and notifications about your account, as well as for retrieving your password should you forget it. So, type it in carefully, double checking for any typos. After your email, the next detail you'd need to input is your phone number and location. This step is crucial for security purposes and also aids in customizing your Xero experience based on your location, ensuring that you get the most relevant financial information and support for your region. Once your contact details are neatly filled in, you'll be prompted to agree with Xero's terms and conditions. While it might be tempting to skip reading through them, I highly encourage you to take a few moments to peruse these terms. They contain important information about what you can expect from Xero and what Xero expects from you, including your privacy rights and how your data will be handled. Next up, you'll face a human verification challenge, the CAPTCHA. This is a standard security measure to ensure that entries are made by people, not robots. Successfully verifying the CAPTCHA proves that you're a genuine user, which protects you and the Xero community from fraudulent activities. After verifying the CAPTCHA, look for a button or link that says something like Next, Confirmation, or simply Next. Clicking on this will take you closer to the final steps of your account creation process. The anticipation builds as it's now time to check your email. Xero will have sent you a confirmation message. This step is vital as it verifies the email address you provided belongs to you. In your inbox, locate the email from Xero and follow the included instructions or click the verification link to confirm your registration. If you don't see the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder just in case. With your registration confirmed, you're on the home stretch. Xero will now request more detailed information about your business. This is where you get to lay the groundwork for your account structure, inputting details like your business name, its structure, and the main currency you operate in. Providing accurate business details is crucial for financial reporting and analysis, ensuring that the data you receive is relevant and tailored to your needs. Delving deeper into customization, you'll be asked to add your industry. This helps Xero provide you with a more customized experience, from the dashboard setup to the reports available. Whether you're in retail, IT, or any other sector, choosing the correct industry will enable Xero to support you with more relevant advice and tools. Finally, the moment of truth, starting your trial. Clicking on Start Trial marks the beginning of your journey with Xero. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Xero account. This trial period is a great opportunity to explore Xero's features and see firsthand how it can transform the financial management of your business. Remember, setting up your account is just the beginning. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the Xero dashboard, customize your settings, and explore all the features available. Xero is designed to grow with your business, offering a wide range of tools and resources to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on setting up your Xero account. Whether you're new to business management or looking to switch to a more streamlined financial system, I hope this guide has been helpful. Here's to a more organized and efficient financial future with Xero.